To find physical keyboard shortcuts list in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select physical keyboard, and then tap keyboard shortcuts. So explanation of the keyboard shortcuts on the screen. OS key, the Windows command, search or other operating system symbol key. You can see a shortcut if you use physical keyboard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.